Good evening, Sir Leo Arcayos. My name is Dan Gary Parangao, Section Z2B. So, what information is in the booklet? So, the booklet contains technical data and specific scenarios including ship particular, hydrostatic data, tank and cargo capacities, loading conditions, stability curves, and damage stability. So the stability booklet contains important information about how the ship stays balanced and safe in the water. It includes the ship's weight limits, cargo loading instructions, tank capacities, stability calculations, and diagrams. It also shows the safe loading conditions and how cargo fuel and ballast should be arranged to keep the ship stable. So why is it important for seafarers? So to prevent capsizing, safety of life, legal compliance, operational guidance, and emergency response. So the stability booklet is very important, sir, because it helps seafarers keep the ship safe and balanced while sailing. It guides them on how to load cargo properly and avoid overloading in balance. By following the booklet, the crew can prevent accidents like the ship listing, capsizing, or becoming unstable. So that's all, sir. Thank you for watching.